Dear viewers, today we will discuss concept of complementary events. In probability theory, complementary events are events that together make up the entire sample space of a random experiment. Complementary events are two events A and B such that A and B are the only possible outcomes of a random experiment, and one of the two events must occur in every experiment. The complement of an event A is the event that consists of all outcomes in the sample space that are not in event A. The complement of event A is denoted by the symbol A complement. This is the symbol of complement. For example, if the sample space of a random experiment is the set of all possible outcomes and event A is rolling a die and getting a 4, then the complement of event A complement. This is the sign of complement, is rolling a die and not getting a 4. In probability theory, complementary events are important because they allow us to calculate the probability of an event not occurring. The probability of the complement of an event A, probability of A complement, this is the sign of A complement, is given by the formula probability of A complement is equal to 1 minus probability of A. This is the formula of A complement, probability of A complement. This means that probability of an event and its complement always sum to 1. For example, if the probability of rolling a die and getting a 4 is 1 over 6, then the probability of not rolling a 4 is 1 minus 1 over 6 is equal to 5 over 6.